Hello. Hello, guys. I'm just gonna bing. So basically, um, guys, I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing today. What's big event? Yeah, it was my dad's birthday yesterday. Is that all I've got to say? Um, I was out yesterday. That's all I've got to say. What we were visiting him yesterday. One on the PS4 yesterday. What do I do? Oh. Okay, so he's gonna follow me to the kitchen. Crazy. Okay. Hi. Now, I don't know. Oh, I don't know what to do. Let's see. I don't know what to do. What to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh, no, I'm not saying that. See him on the way. Okay. I don't know. I'm just having fun with you guys. Help. 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 Okay, so comment down below some rest in peace Galaxy for listener because he did break. Oh, this is the beast. Yeah, beast collection. No, I've got the black. Yeah, black. Yeah, then. Oh, yeah. Pink and. Oh, what? 1999. Minion. Fidget spinner. Up there. Up there, we've got a red one up there. Okay, anyway. Let's not be ready. What the hell? What? Did you guys see? What the? It got way better than what I got. Jesus. Okay, look at the team thing. Come, got them holy stuff. The hell it was. No,